Yeah, hi and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to find out whether it is possible to earn $80 per hour just by creating a short, simple video. And the site we're going to look at today is called ProductTube, and we're going to do a full review of ProductTube, and we're going to go through and show you exactly how you can earn money and also whether it is possible to actually earn $80 per hour. Okay, so as you can see here, we have come on to the ProductTube website. Straight away, as it says here, make short videos and get rewarded. So the first thing we want to do is go and check out how it actually works. So we click on the How It Works tab here, and this shows you here, you basically sign up to, so you go to the ProductTube.com website from your smartphone or laptop and sign up. It says you will then receive invites to video projects following the simple instructions to record your product experiences. Then you come back and you actually upload your product videos directly onto ProductTube using your phone, the iPhone or Android app, or online at ProductTube. And then you get rewards, and within 48 hours you start to receive Amazon gift certificates. So as you can see here, it says make $50 to $80 for 1 hour of effort per month. And if we scroll further down, we've actually got two demos here. So the videos you have to do, sometimes you have to go into certain stores and you follow the instructions that they actually say. And sometimes you actually do the videos from home. And this can vary in the amount, but most of the time it seems to be that the videos are actually in-store videos. And what I would say is, from some of the research that I've done about ProductTube, make sure you actually follow the instructions to the letter. So if it says you need to do certain things within the store or within your video, make sure you do that, because the videos have to be reviewed before you actually get any payouts here. And of course it says here you will receive your awards within 48 hours, and videos should be watchable, audible, but do not need to be edited. So you don't need to edit them, but you do need to be watchable. So it has to be a goodish camera and obviously a good sound quality. But most of the time you'll be fine with just your normal smartphone here. And this is what's such good about ProductTube. You can do it just from your phone without any other equipment. Now, like I say, as we can see here, you've got Apple Store and you can get it on Google Play. So obviously if you're going to go out and do videos and now on your mobile, you're going to need to download one or other of those apps. So we went across, and as you can see here, the ProductTube app and Google Play has had 1,300 reviews. And as you can see, it's got a figure of 3.7 stars. And if you read up some of these things here as well, it's always good to read through some of what people have written. But basically, that's not too bad. 3.7 of over 50,000 installs. And also the iPhone has only had 3 ratings so far, and that's got a 5-star rating on the Apple as well. And just so you know, I also went over to a site called who.is and I put in producttube.com, and as you can see, they've been going since 2006. So it's certainly been going an awful long time. So it just proves that they must be legit and they must be paying out. But like we say in the thing, can we actually earn the $50 to $80? Well, most of the different tasks are probably between $5 to $15 for each task. So what they're saying is that you could earn $80 for 1 hour of effort, but in short terms that probably means is just the effort of actually recording the video. So if your video is only 5 minutes long, if you ended up recording 12 videos, you could get $80 for those 12 videos. But as we all know, that obviously sometimes if you're going to have to travel to the store, travel back from the store, obviously then shoot the video, then upload the video, so it does take a little bit of time. So in realistic time terms is that you probably couldn't actually do this for the 1 hour that they're actually specifying. So it says per month, so I think that could be a maximum of what you could actually earn as well. So if you don't mind shooting videos on your actual mobile, stay tuned right to the very end, because I'll actually give you another method you could actually go and start today, which in turn would build up, and you could in time get to $80 per month very, very easily. So if we scroll down to some of the frequently asked questions, and as you can see here, it says, how do I join? And it basically says, if you go to ProductTube.com, click on the sign up and then verify your email address. Now, obviously, I tried to go and do this, but I wasn't in the US. So it doesn't actually state that really anywhere on their site. So beware of that. If you do go and try and join, you've got to be in the US for this. But like I said just a second ago, if you are looking quite happy to do videos via your phone, stay tuned, because I'll show you another way at the end of this video. Now, it also says here, how do I receive my rewards? And it says you go to my rewards under the ProductTube.com and then redeem your rewards towards Amazon e-gift certificates. So again, if you were looking for something more with PayPal or something like that, then or you wanted something directly into your bank, then obviously this is probably not going to be for you. If you go through some of these actual reviews here on the Google apps, then they actually are making quite a bit of money. This guy here, he says, I've done like 20 videos and not had any issues, and I've earned so much Amazon gift cash. So at the end of the day, they are actually paying out, and you can actually do quite a few videos, but you may not have to do that over several months. So all in all, from what I can actually see and what I've actually researched myself, because obviously I can't go into the back end, you know, ProductTube looks as if it's a totally legit site. They're going to be paying you through the gift cards, and you do get quite a few different tasks to actually complete. So if you don't mind going to shops and doing short videos and then coming back and uploading them, then it is a fun way to actually go and get some more dollars per month. And remember, obviously, if you're a student or maybe on low incomes or even unemployed, this again could be a way of just getting some extra cash every single month to see you through. But I did promise you, obviously, another way, and we're going to quickly go through that. So if you're not in the US and you want to obviously try and make some money by creating some short videos, then what I would recommend is obviously the platform you're already on, which is YouTube. Now, before you go and run a mile, what I would recommend is go and have a look at this free webinar, and I'll put the link in the description here below, a free webinar of how to make money on YouTube without recording videos and without any experience, technical skill, or huge upfront investment. New way of going about YouTube that doesn't require you to record videos. How to choose your niche and generate tons of videos quickly, and how to take advantage of a YouTube algorithm and grow super quickly. So this is a guy called Matt Parr, and he has made a full-time living on YouTube. He runs about 9 YouTube channels, and only on one of them does he actually even show his face. So if you don't want to be in front of camera, this training is super designed for you. So all you've got to do is literally check out the reserve my seat now. Go and watch the video. It's totally free. It's not going to cost you anything to go and do. And again, this will probably show you techniques and that you can then go on to actually make even more money on YouTube than you could on ProductTube. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.